One of the biggest unveils at EICMA 2025 has to be the Royal Enfield Himalayan 750. Yes, this motorcycle is a reality and it's here. As you can see, the styling of the motorcycle is based on the Himalayan 450, but it's more evolved, looks more sleeker compared to the Himalayan 450. Up front, you get a 19-inch spoke wheel, twin disc setup and off-road tires. We have also seen a Himalayan 750 prototype running with alloy wheels, again 19-inch alloy wheels. So this is more of a tourer motorcycle, gets long travel suspension as you can see on the Himalayan 450, but unlike the Himalayan 450, you get adjustable suspension on the Himalayan 750. So in terms of that, it is a big step up. Another big step up is here, the heart of the motorcycle. This is a 750cc twin cylinder. This is an evolved version of the current 650 twin. I think it will produce around 55 bhp and 60 Newton meters of torque. But it is still oil cooled. This is not a liquid cooled engine. A bit disappointing on that end. Moving forward, you can see the fuel tank capacity is much more than the Himalayan 450, which is 17 liters. Again, this is not a hardcore off-roader like the Himalayan 450. The Himalayan 750 is a touring motorcycle. The exhaust design is also similar, but it is high set, looks nice. Gets split seats as seen on the Himalayan 450. Even from the rear, the motorcycle's design language is very similar to that of the Himalayan 450. So looks very interesting. And if you can see the instrument console, again circular TFT that we have seen on the Himalayan 450. Interesting feature is over here. As you can see, it gets cruise control. Now that is something that we've been asking Royal Enfield for the Himalayan 450, but we have seen this on the Himalayan 750. As I mentioned before, this is a proper tourer. This is not a hardcore off-roader like the Himalayan 450, and in that sense, it's a good motorcycle. Another big change on the Himalayan 750 is the frame. It's a trellis frame, unlike the frame that we have seen on the other 650 twins. Completely different, completely new, because it serves a different purpose. We expect this motorcycle to go live by the first half of next year, and yeah, we are very excited, and this will be the flagship motorcycle from Royal Enfield. So what's your take on the Royal Enfield Himalayan 750? Do let us know in the comments. Do you like the motorcycle? Do you not like the motorcycle? And why you don't like the motorcycle, or why you like the motorcycle? Please engage with us in the comments, and thank you for watching.